Hello everyone, welcome to Scalio. Today I'll show you how you can generate promotional videos for your brand. These videos are highly engaging and of high quality, just like studio quality. For this, you don't need any technical knowledge or prompting. Here in the For You section, you'll find templates based on your business type, which you can use to make videos. By scrolling here, you can see other business types too, and you can use them as well. Let me generate a video here to show you. For instance, I came here to beauty and wellness. I pressed start from here. Here in AI actor, I can choose any actor. I've chosen Neil Mehta here. By going to create, you can make a character according to your preference. By uploading a reference image, our AI will create a similar character and feature it in the video. Apart from this, you can also provide a description here. Using this, the AI will create a similar actor and make the video. Besides this, you'll upload your product's photo here. Coming down here, you'll choose your video's duration, 5, 10 or 15 seconds. Our app charges 2 credits per second. I'll generate a 10-second video here. Here I'll choose my aspect ratio, either 9 to 16 or 16 to 9. I can write my brand's name here. Here, whatever I want to be claimed in the video, I can write that here, and in the script I can write this. Whatever I want my AI actor to say exactly in the video, I can write that here too. Here I'll press generate video. I'll get the entire overview here, and whatever is remaining of my credits will be written here. As soon as I press generate video here, the generation has started. Now let me show you another template which is for fashion. I'll press use this template here, choose my AI actor again, and upload my outfit. I'll choose my duration, choose the aspect ratio, and here in what to focus on, I can write what I want my AI actor to focus more on in the video in terms of speech. If you want to claim something about the product, you can write that here too. In fit benefit or fabric details, we can put our fabric details. In fit benefit, you can write something about your clothing. In spoken line, you can write what you want your AI actor to say in the video. While our video is generating here, let me show you the other results. You can see how beautifully the product details are shown from different angles. These videos are very engaging, and we keep adding new templates like this that you can use for your product's branding. You can post these videos on Instagram and also forward them to people on WhatsApp.
Golden Boughs, a tropical, long-lasting fragrance जो पूरे दिन fresh रखे.
You'll find a lot of templates here, and these templates you see, when you use them, the AI will create a fresh video according to your product rather than giving you the same video. And our video has been generated here. Let's see the result.
Mango Passion Shower Gel, just one wash for an instant fresh feel and light hydration, perfect for mornings or after a workout.
You can see here how well the video has been generated. Thank you so much.